Okay, during this drawing we're going to be creating the crank handle for the TRAMMEL toy drawings. We're going to select 2D sketch. We're going to draw this on the XY plane. We're going to use the line command. We're going to start at the point of origin, and we want to draw a line straight up at 90 degrees to a distance of 0.75. Then I'm going to go to the right 90 degrees, a distance of 0.5. And then I'm going to go down a distance at 90 degrees of 0.438. Then I'm going to jog to the left just a little bit and click my mouse button. I'm going to go down 90 degrees and click my mouse, and then go back to where we started and click my mouse. Then I want to use the dimension tool, and I'm going to click on this last line that we drew, and I want this line to read 0.313. Okay, next we're going to finish the sketch, and we want to revolve this. So I click on revolve. We need to define where the axis is that we're revolving around. This right here, this first line that we drew that was 0.75 inches long, will be our revolve axis. So we want to click on that and then click on our green check mark. Okay, next what we want to do is we're going to create a hole down the center of this. So I want to choose my hole command, and I'm going to choose concentric, and I want this hole to be a counter bore hole, so I'm going to click on counter bore. I want it to read 0.375 up here for the counter bore diameter. I want the depth of the counter bore to also be 0.375. And I want the pilot hole down here to be 0.25. Again, this should be a through hole. So I'm going to click to place this hole. And then I want to place it directly in the center, so I want it to be concentric. To specify that it's at a concentric point, I need to click on this outer edge so it centers itself within that diameter. Then I'm going to select Apply, and I'm going to exit out of that, and I need to specify the type of material. I want this to be a wood type material, so I'm going to choose wood birch. And I want to save this as my crank handle in my TRAMMEL toy folder.